Back to me now. Coming Home by Enrique Iglesias and I'm Coming Home by Skylar Grey are just few of the many songs which can be attributed to feeling how exciting it is to always come back home. Ladies and gentlemen, the very purpose of our coming together today is to reminisce the beautiful transformations JRMSU Katipunan has rendered into our lives, making us the very person we are now and the persona we dream to become in the coming years. Looking back, the College of Education started operating in 2002 of the then Katipunan National Agricultural School, then morphed into Jose Rizal Memorial State College Katipunan campus. The institution has underwent progressive transformations, now amplifying the prestige of being the premier state university in Zamboanga del Norte, from which the college
I have to call you to come back to JRMSU, Katipunan Campus, the former KNAS, or Katipunan National Agricultural School. That's the very first purpose. Secondly, I have to do this in order to create a community of graduate among you. Because I know you have been spread out to the different schools in the entire province. And even others have been employed in other provinces. For example, si Harley, asa ka sa Pagabian. We also have Brian I. The manner of having this alumni homecoming. And also, I would like to announce that during registration, or I would like to ask if you were able to answer the questionnaire that we were giving at the Secretariat. Naka-answer mo ito? Ha? Is there anyone wala naka-answer? Please try to ask the Secretariat because we will be needing the information for the graduate tracer and the employability data of our graduates. So this will be a very important data that we will be getting for accreditation and other purposes. In this first College of Education Alumni Homecoming, I hope you will enjoy the day and the rest of the night tonight. Good morning.
So long ago, I'm stronger now. I've learned from my mistakes which way to go, and I should know. I put myself aside to do it your way, but now we need to do it.
You deserve all my greetings of love and respect, especially to our mentors forever, my mentors forever, then and now, and it would be right and proper for me to introduce the deans of the College of Education. Well, of course, the mother of deans, Dr. Sylvia Milano. Kinsa pa'y mga babies ni Ma'am Sylvia. We tried to reach out Ma'am Sylvia to be here. Ma'am Sylvia was followed by Ma'am Abet Manghila, the babies of Ma'am Abet. Please be acknowledged. Wow, okay. Then Ma'am Abet was followed by Dr. Maria Rio Nagit Tabdon. Kinsay mga babies ni Ma'am Rio? Okay. Then followed by Dr. Jovel Pere. When Dr. Pere was the dean, who are the babies of Dr. Pere? Always magila sila babies ni Dr. Pere. Followed by Dr. Umarate, who are the babies of Karina. And the Rasan Asudin
Dr. Divina Gracia. Okay, dakagyan ng inahan, di nananamoy kalibog. And I would like to acknowledge at the moment, I would like to speak in behalf of the administration and your once program chairperson of the secondary education and your once dean of the College of Education, that what is in the abundance of my heart now is the extreme happiness. I'm very much overwhelmed. It's because I consider each of you results exemplar, that we, the mentors in the College of Education, including Dr. Perez, sir, naman ko kaniha, please, o uban pang mentors diha, we would like to congratulate each of us because we were able to produce not only successful licensed professional teachers, but graduates who kept with you in your hearts the very core values of which you were nurtured by the College of Education of Katipunan Campus. You came back home still very respectful, still with a commitment, and still with the highest gesture of loyalty to Jose Rizal Memorial State University. And thank you so much. In terms of performance, institutional performance in the licensure exam, manghinaot lang ni that with this very start, there will be more homecoming, more meet and greet with each one, and this number will increase in time when another brand alumni homecoming for the College of Education will be planned out by the succeeding years. And I hope we will be still sharing the same values and the same vision that we intend and dedicate ourselves to be life coaches wherever we will go and whatever agency we will be attached to and we will be part of. We will always bring the shadow of Jose Rizal Memorial State University that always our alma mater will be proud of in everything we do. And I would like to tell each one, you have done a good job. Why? Because we received feedback and we in fact invited Dr. Barbadillo Miranda Genevieve to be our speaker because we are so proud of her achievement when she rose to the rank of the position she is now occupying. I know others are also rising from the rank. There's a lot of you. We cannot contain the happiness in our heart. Og labaw sa tanan, ako mong pahibawon nga ang DepEd, kung gusto silang mangitag teacher, mangutana gid silang una na abay gikan graduate sa Katipunan Campus. Meaning, you have done your job so well, serving as the ambassador of goodwill of Katipunan Campus. I hope you will continue. All right, thank you very much. All right, thank you very much. Batch 2.
Kinahan ka na siya.
To the Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Katipunan Campus. Me given the task to introduce our guest speaker this morning. The thought that she is a woman of virtue and simplicity, a living inspiration for all young ones in this municipality and to all who knew her, especially those who graduated in this institution, the Jose Rizal Memorial State University, known before as Katipunan National Agricultural School. We are so lucky to be with her, despite of the fact that she is vulnerable of the feared present situation. Our guest speaker started her elementary at Katipunan Central Elementary School and continued her high school here at Katipunan National Agricultural School as an assistant honored student. She pursued her college studies at Southwestern University, Cebu City, taking up and graduated Bachelor of Science in Biology. She has also graduated Master of Arts in Education at St. Vincent's College, and while enjoying her profession as college instructor, here in this institution, she is able to fulfill her dreams of becoming a researcher by making and submitting winning entries in research. She also became a dean in the College of Education for years here in Jose Rizal Memorial State University. Professor Elizabeth Romero Manghila.
Looking at you. Malamang I feel very because it has been 13 years ago that I had not look at the book except my prayer book. So it's not easy. So this time allow me to speak in English. But first, ibulag baya mi sa init, magbunlay, the whole campus. But then, I enjoy because we are so many, around 120 plus. But the end of this school year, wala na po. Kuha na lang ni kabuok, 28 na mali. Because my mentors before, whether it is an agricultural subject or academic subject, nako, huwag mong paglaruan dahil ibilag ka sa init if you cannot make it. Then after graduation, I had to cry because I do not want to go to Cebu. I just want to stay in Dipolog. But then my brother and sister was there. It is unfair for me if I will take my college education just in Dipolog. So, travel alone. First time to ride on a boat. First time to step on the ports of Cebu. Ano ba to? Ano kaya ang mangyari sa akin dito sa Cebu? Probinsyana yata. I can still remember wearing my shorts and my slippers going to Cebu. Good, my brother was there at the port, meeting me. Uy, ngano yung anak mo na yung itsura day? Siyudad naman eh. Oh, nobody coach me. Nobody tell me that you have to dress properly. Because even though my mother is a teacher, an A1 teacher, yet she doesn't care to guide us to pambagan bitaw ka what to do, what not to do. Because she was so busy pala teaching. I had the backgrounds of higher sciences and chemistry subject. Ayan. So, then I shifted to Bachelor of Science in Biology, another task. Ano ba to? Ano bang na ano ko dito? Ano bang makukuha ko dito? Then my brother said, ambot ni mo, bahala ka sa sarili mo. Yan na ba? Ganyan ba kayo? As a brother, because you're always a brother, a father to your children and to your students. So then, mag-BS lang ko, kay di man ko gusto mag-maestra, lalim, sige pangusti. But accidentally, when I graduated in this BS Bio, I stayed at home for quite 2 months. And hearing that, it was Mr. Pere here, Oscar Pere was the administrator. Ready, and he saw me, nangalawat. Oh, and he really came to me and said, wala kang trabaho, go to my office. Ganyan. So that's why I told you, I landed in a teaching position without any application letter. Asa man mo anak, ako ra, kamu gili. Wala. Diba? O, sika. Then, it was pala a substitute work for Dr. Milano. Nako, ang bigat. Ano ba to? Nagawa ko sa sarili ko, this is really a punishment, di ba? To teach all those subjects she had handled for 1 year because she became one of the scholars in Malaysia. So BS lang po ako. I do not know how to write lesson plan. Even though I had my sister teaching and my mother was teaching before, I did not come. I did not approach them to teach me how to make a lesson plan. So, whom did I approach? It was Mr. Pere. Assisting his graduates. Ako wala because I'm already retired. Bahala ka diha. Then sabi, huy, ma'am, nandito ka. Yes, sir. Why? Ay, nauban ako sa akong sister, nag-follow up, sir. Wala akong kaibutan ako sa I do not know. Ingon ni sir na, bisag asa aspitoha, lupigon yun ko ni mo, ma'am. Ay, nga naman, sir. Katipunan campus, imong ibaliwala. Oh, yan. So, ako, wow. Ganyan pala kabigat ang Katipunan campus in this. So, with those phrases, may I share you this? Bakit kaya? That the public, o yung children, the public trust you so much. Why? Can you give me a clue why those out there trusted you so much to be the young or the next or the what is this second parents or children? Nga naman, what is in this institution that gain that trust? Nga, uy, the young children to face this courage to love. Courage to love. Ano ba yun? Dili na ron also. Pero you cannot make it in the classroom without that virtue. Because you don't have that desire to help if you do not have that courage to love. You do not have that desire to extend how many kilometers of patience. Wala ka dyan. Kaya you will only say, bahala mo, tigmay ninyo mga bataan mo. Can I still hear that from you? Tigmay ninyo mga bataan mo, bahala mo sa sarili ninyo. So when you love, you are there to come out in your own shell and share this love in how many ways? Ang dami. Then your patience will be extended, then down to earth. Mag-research ka so that you will learn to stand on your own 2 feet. And I quote from Mrs. Aliado, teach them how to fish, but do not give them the fish. So, ganyan ba kayo ngayon? You fish, so you can eat your own fish. Then from that courage to love, there is the courage to faith. Ayan, bigat yan eh. That is why last night we're talking with Mrs. Iprado ako. Said, Ma'am, abin ako, imo lang gihapon may kasabay na kuno. Tabangan pa mo, kasabay pa yun. Then, said, you know, can you remember my eyes before? When my eyes goes up, that means something. That I have to hold my feelings. Nanampit na ko, ana, Lord, please hold my tongue. So I have that faith, strong faith in Him to guide me. That is why every time I face the class, I will say always these words. Baby Jesus, Mama Mary, meek and mild, please teach these students through me. That is a very strong faith that I had before, that until now, problem crops up, I just say, baby Jesus, Mama Mary, meek and mild, please get all these problems from everything. Just sudden, napayapa dito. Because usually, pag hindi ang bata marunong mag-add, anong gagawin ninyo? Hoy, taga-elementary, anong gagawin ninyo? Mayroon kang, kalamit mong laparuon. Correct? Oh, you're laughing sa ato pa. Correct. Oh. Then to the secondary, para anang naang cycle, di pa yun kasabot. Kung saan ako na imong ulo? Sobra ka naman kabugo. Ayan, had you done that to your class? Yes or no? Salamat. Para di ay. So there, if you have that 3 virtues, then everything will follow smoothly. Down to earth, na pasensya ka sa imong mga bata. Down to earth to the extent that you will buy something to feed your children. Di ba, sir? Nga, usahay walay pa. Kawiya pa na sa imong klase, right? Oh, because He's willing, especially if this child will look at you and say, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Ayan, the trusting eyes of your children can never be forgotten.
Valuable time rendered as guests of honor and speaker during the first alumni homecoming of the College of Education of Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Karipunan Campus, held on August 13, 2022 at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Karipunan Campus Covered Court. Given this 13th day of August 2022 at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Karipunan Campus Covered Court, Karipunan, Zamboanga del Norte. Signed, Leonora T. Divinagracia, Doctor of Education, Associate Dean, College of Education. Karina A. Romarate, Doctor of Education, the Campus Administrator. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Professor Elizabeth R. Manila. Thank you very much for gracing this the grandest first of the College of Education, ma'am. We will be having the photo opportunity first. Thank you very much, Dr. Elizabeth R. Manila. According to her, her talk reminded us that we cannot go back and change the beginning, but we can start where you are right now and change the ending. Also, he reminded us, and in conclusion of her speech, when you are in JRMSU Kalipunan, you are in good hands. That the general public trusted JRMSU Kalipunan
Speaker and at the same time the former Dean of the College of Education of this institution, Ma'am Elizabeth R. Manila, ma'am, to the retirees who are here, to the campus administrator of this institution, Dr. Karina A. Romarate, ma'am, to the Associate Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Leonora T. Divinagracia, and to the faculty and staff of the college. I think it's already 12, so good afternoon everyone. In behalf of the Alumni Association, I would just like to thank everyone for your presence and especially for the retirees na anhigit sila din for with our invitation. To the faculty and staff also. Actually, just like what Ma'am Divine said, na murag dinalian siya nga activity, but still, no, nahitabo na gud siya. As well as Dr. Perey said also sa GC na nahitabo na gud siya yun. So, thank you for your presence and may everyone enjoy the day until this evening. By the way, this afternoon there will be a team building activity to be conducted by a certain the committee assigned. And